Hi guys, it's day 2 here in South Korea and it's Mama's birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah, so today is Palace Day. Ayun ang Gyeongbokgung Palace. So, bago tayo pumunta doon, magbe-breakfast muna kami and then we're going to get our handboks kasi pag naka-handbook ka, free ang entrance doon. Pero syempre, you have to pay for the handbook. We are going to cross and this is what's happening right now. There's traffic kasi may event doon sa area na yon. This is going to be a fun day. Let's go! Okay guys, so we're here at Daehanbok sa may Gyeongbokgung Palace. So dito kami nag-rent ng aming hanbok. So Anna is currently having her hairdress. Si Bryce naglalagay sa locker. Ang prices here, difference is kung premium yung kukunin yung hanbok or yung normal. So the normal is about 10,000 won to 18,000 won. That depends kung 1 hour or full day. So kung 1 hour, that's 10,000 won for normal and then 18,000 for full day. If premium, it's going to be 1 hour 25,000 and then full day would be 35,000 won. Yung sa premium, as you saw earlier, you can get your accessories, you can have your shoes, your belt, your arm guard, and all those accessories, no? And then dun sa normal na hanbok, if you're gonna get that is going to be the accessories are going to be different, no? May bayad na siya for extra. So this is me and this is Bryce. Let's go! Isang warrior at isang king. feel na feel niya talaga yung espada niya. So ayan, so ang daming Pinoy dito guys. Day hanbok. You can also book in advance your hanbok here via Klook. So I think it's cheaper there, pero kami nag-walk-in lang kami because we weren't sure where we're gonna be getting it, but the hanbok is the best place to actually get your hanboks. Oh, and by the way, this is just outside the exit of Gyeongbokgung Palace Station, right? Guys, ito yung sa For Girls. So medyo madami, pero same price siya. Ang laki ng coat nito, pang ano to eh, Game of Thrones to eh. Ito yung sinusuot ni Jon Snow eh. Ayan, and siya guys. So same din naman yung price nila for women. So same price, 10,000 won ang normal, 18,000 per full day. Premium. So ayan siya. Si Anna is kumukuha lang siya ng kanyang parang jacket. And also there is a indoor studio sa taas. So pwede kayo mag-picturean doon actually. So gagawin namin siya mamaya. Lalabas na muna kami para matapos kami sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. And then ayun, feeling naman namin di naman namin whole day susuotin to. Tatanggalin na rin namin to mamaya. Pero baka kasi kulangin kami sa 1 hour kaya nag 2 hours kami. Yan siya oh. Never in my life na naisip ko magsuot ng ganito dahil napaka-arte ko. Ang dami namin dito. Ayan. Say hi, Mama! Happy birthday, Hanbok girl! 안녕하세요! Ang hanyong, 여러분! Guys, we're here at Gyeongbokgung Palace! Medyo mainit lang. Mainit yung araw, mataas yung araw, pero hindi man mainit na mainit. So, dito kami. Try namin pumila dito kasi sayang naman. Ayan na. Let's go! Grabing daming tao dito sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. Tapos sobrang laki pala nito. As in, sobrang laki niya. I mean, kapasok na kasi ako sa ibang palace before. Pero iba yung palace na to kasi sobrang laki niya. Siguro inayos na lang siya. Pero siguro dati ang daming mga tirahan dito or kung ano man. Tapos, tira nyo to. Meron dito parang ganyang bahay. Tapos yung parang temple nila doon. Tapos sa loob pa ang dami. Sobrang laki. Tapos meron pa siya actually sa kabilang side. Hindi na namin naiikot kasi feeling ko uubusin na actually yung oras namin dito. May mga ibang pupuntahan pa today. So, we'll see how it goes. So, itong dalawa. Ayan. Nagbi-picture pa sila. And they are having fun. Guys, are you tired?
No.
Pwede na ba daw ito i-edit?
Ano gagawin natin dyan?
May ilalagay daw ito.
Puppy love. Welcome to Hongdae!
Ay, totoo pala yun.
Tapos lang namin guys lunch and nag-lunch kami sa KFC. Kasi una sa lahat gutom na kami. Ayaw na namin mag-isip kung ano pong bang kakainin namin. And ngayon, our agenda is to roam around Hongdae and if we can buy shoes for the birthday girl. Birthday girl. So looking at probably Adidas, Nike. Saan? Saan yung Adidas? Saan?
Nasa highway.
Puntahan natin? Okay. So, ayan. So, basically, si Hongdae is almost the same as Myeongdong, but the vibes here is more of Gen Z type, mas mga pambata. So, there's a place here na they perform sila dito. So, later sana meron para ma-video natin and we'll see. Okay, so wala pang nagpe-perform kasi usually dito yan sa area na to. Yan, dito yan sa area na to. So right now, wala pa. Baka maya-maya kasi maaga pa rin naman. It's only almost 3 o'clock or mag-4 na yata. Magdi 3 o'clock. So, it's still early. Nandito tayo sa offline duty-free, which is still in Hongdae. So basically, this place is a store, mostly actually for girls. Like 90% of the stuff are for girls. Unless you prefer some girly stuff, that's fine. So they have bags, they have earrings, necklaces, and jewelries. And sa baba pa lang yun, they have scarves. And nandito ako in second floor, and mostly here sa second floor are clothes, women's clothes. So prices are actually reasonable. Like for example, this top right here, it is 12,000 won, right? So okay siya. So if you drop by Hongdae, pagdating nyo sa Nike, just turn right, and then doon sa unang kanto, ando ng offline duty free. Alright? Sa wakas, mission accomplished. Mama, nakabili na siya ng kanyang shoes. Yes naman. Ayun oh. Nice. So, kami naman ni Bryce ang mamimili. Charot. Abangan nyo guys. Papakita ko yan pag suot ko yan. My turn. Try lang tayo guys. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong magugustuhan sa Adidas. Guys, ano ba yan? Second day pa lang. May mission accomplished na rin ako. Meron pa kaming 7 araw dito. And eto na ang sa akin. So, pabili tayo sa Adidas. Pero, bibili din naman talaga ako ng sapatos kahit sa Pilipinas. Because, pasiraan na rin yung running shoes natin. So, nagpalit na tayo. Hindi naman siya nagpalit. Nagdagdag right now. Kasi, pwede pa naman yung existing. Mas magagamit natin to for travel. Kasi medyo masakit ang paa namin. The last, since yesterday. Kasi medyo bigat yung sapatos namin. So, ayun. Mamaya, i-unbox natin lahat ng pinamili natin since yesterday. Okay?